Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to verify Pocket Option account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Pocket Option application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Pocket Option application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options like trading, finance, profile, market, etc. Simply tap on the option profile that you can see at third. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the options like trading profile, loyalty program, security, etc. Tap on the second option, that is profile. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. From here you'll be able to verify your account. First of all, what you have to do is make sure to provide the identity info. So simply tap on the field of first name. Now enter the first name over here. Now after you enter it, tap on the option write. Now likewise enter the last name. Also enter the date of birth. Tap on the field of date of birth. Now what you have to do is enter the date of birth over here. First of all, select the day. Now select the month. Now select the year. Now tap on the right icon. Now after you provide all the information, what you have to do is verify your email. Over here you'll be able to find the field for email. You'll be able to see the email address that you used in order to create the account. So in order to verify it, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the resend option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, to secure your account, the link will be sent to your email address. So what you have to do is open the Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Pocket Option has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the button for verify email. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. You can see over here your email has been successfully verified. Now what you have to do is go back to the Pocket Option application. Now you can see over here your email has been verified. Now you can also verify the identity status. In order to start the verification, you have to select the country of residence. So simply tap on the field of choose the country. Now simply choose the country, tap on the country of your choice, or you can also search for it like this. Now tap on the option confirm. Now you can see over here you'll have to go through the document verification. You'll be able to see the document requirements over here. Whatever document you provide, it must have at least 6 months remaining validity period. So what you have to do is select the document type. Simply tap on the document type. Now you'll be able to find the options like passport, local ID, driver license. Simply tap on the document type of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter your document number. So simply enter the document number over here. Now you'll have to provide the image of the document type. Simply tap on the option choose file. You'll be able to upload the file types like GIF, JPEG, JPG, PNG and PDF. So what you have to do is simply tap on the option of your choice, choose the file and upload it over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the upload option that you can see on the screen. Now after your document has been uploaded, your document and information will be reviewed by Pocket Option. After the review has been completed, if your account is verified, you'll be able to get notified through email. Simply exercise your patience and your account will be verified. So that is how you verify Pocket Option account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.